What's up, Brian? Here you go. Big hit a while ago, guys. I think I got fish on, guys. Fish on, Brian! Good fish, Brian, good fish! See what this tool's important for? Jamaican shore fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. We're doing some night fishing tonight, and we're linked up tonight, guys, with Clark Legacy 876 tonight. Brian's over there. Hold on. You got some light on, Brian? There goes Brian. Right there, guys. Look. See Brian? That's Brian right there. So, let me get this light back off. Alright. So, guys, we out. I got the lines rigged up. Rasta is here with me. He got the light on tonight. And we're here tonight, guys, and we're going to set some lines and see what we can pick up. We're using the shrimp bait. I got my 5,000, 6,000, the 10 foot, and my 8 foot out. 7 foot packed up. We're not using that tonight, but we're going to see if we can jig some squid tonight. So stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. And the rest of the day, I'll set out the line, you know. And I got the alarm lights tonight, too, guys. So, I'm going to send out big rod first. I don't know when I took it. Seen about 2 that gone on the road. Two bites? Both rods? No, that's me. Come on, let's go. Good Jamaican shore fishing. We got them set. We got alarms on both of them. See that, guys? Yeah. Shore fishing way. That's it. Yeah, guys. So we got the alarm set on both of those. Set up. So we got the lights up, guys. So we're gonna go check on Brian. Brian just got 2 hits a while ago. I don't know what's going on with him. What's up, Brian? Here you go. Big hit a while ago, guys. I just got hit. I just got hit. I just got a good hit a while ago, guys. Getting both hits from both lines, Rasta. That was just a tease. So you see how the alarms work now. Let's go. That's just love tap. I'll bring this one in and see what's up. Take out, clean off piece more bait jar from that. Night fishing, guys. That's what's up. Night fishing is crazy. It keeps, definitely keeps you occupied for sure. Spin that one, Ross. I think I got fish on, guys. Yeah, I got fish on. First fish of the night. Bass. Little grunt. See, guys, that's what's up. The shore fishing way. Brian, I got a grunt. Look at him, Ross. That's what's out here. Yes, sir. This is all part of the experience, guys. All right. Yeah. You gotta peel this off of it. The skin. Yeah. Okay, come on. Stand on the high rock, bro. Up there. On that high rock. Wherever you see is dry. In the eye. Watch yourself going out. Call me shore fishing. Back and watch now, bro. Got Ryan over here, guys. Yeah, Brian. You don't have any alarm? Yeah, we got the alarms up. Got left one. Going off, right? Fish on, Brian! Good fish, Brian, good fish! Fish on, guys. Good fish. Woohoo! Yeah! Baby! Yeah? Snapper!
Nice one.
Here, guys. Look at that. Here, Brian.
Yeah, man. Nice one.
I say, yeah, Brian. Nice snapper
Nice
too, bro.
one in pink. Yeah.
This look like a thing fishy.
Pretty one. Pretty one. Oh, a mangrove.
Mangrove, yeah.
Mangrove.
Yeah, bro. Put a light on you guys. Got a nice snapper. Look at this. Nice. Yeah. Pliers. Pliers. I gotta get the thingy out. Pliers. Pliers on the bag. Get the bag.
Oh, yeah, bag, yeah.
Right behind me. See this, watch. See what this tool is important for? You see that?
Yeah,
you see what happened, right?
Yeah, lock it up. Right.
Bad boy's not taking no check.
Spotlight, you know?
Good night, children. You. Hey. Where? On your pond? I'm starting them on Brian Rod for me. Go on, I'll be up. Just put them on Brian Rod. Just clip them on your rod, clip them. Eh? One light, yeah, Brian. What you want, one light?
Oh, like 55.
Here, guys, the yellow line is going off. Nice mangrove snapper a while ago, guys. Nice fishing it. Alright guys, so I'm baiting up again. Just brought the lines back in, checked it. It's kind of dark out here, so kind of difficult for me to really be shining the light in the distances. The wind is kicking up out here also. So I gotta turn my back to the wind. I'm actually standing in water. So I'm pretty much close to the water edge. Baiting up the line, guys, and getting it back out. I know what I can do to hold that bait on better. I see a sea beef on the ground. I'm going to use my knife and take him up real quick. I got him. Sea beef. Just take your knife. Let's scrape him out. I use it as a backing to the shrimp. Make the shrimp harder to come off, and also gives a leathery type setup. See it? Oh, leathery type setup with the sea beef. There you go, right there. Get this out here, guys. Making sure fishing. Alright, shore fishing. I guess it came to an end now. Brian wants to go home. And we out of bait too. So we'll start packing up. And Brian's kind of tired. I'm tired too, guys. I'm falling asleep here. Tomorrow morning's another day. Me and Brian's pushing out tomorrow. Yeah guys, so we're gonna pack up. Hi guys, that's it. That's the end of the video. We're going home. I caught one little grunt, one little snapper. Brian's next to me. He's getting ready to pull out. I got this bright ass light on in the car, and we're getting ready to go home. You ready up? Alright guys, we're going home. Watch that bump in them. You hear? Alright. So yeah guys, so we out guys. So Jamaican shore fishing. Stay tuned for the next epic exciting adventure. Alright, we are out here.